Hey everyone, Laurie Somma here. I am an empowerment coach and a mental wellness advocate, and I have been using affirmations for about 5 years of my life. They completely helped me to change my mindset and to lean more into self-love and become more empowered in my life and literally to change literally everything in my life. And I'm seeing a lot of affirmations work going on now, which is incredible. The way we speak to ourselves is so powerful and so important and such a huge part of self-help and healing and all of that stuff that you're probably into or starting to get into on your journey to become more empowered and create a better life for yourself. So, I want to tell you about my book that I published. It is on Amazon. It is called The No Bullshit Guide to Using Affirmations. You can see it right here. This is my book. You can go to Amazon and get it. My book goes through exactly how I started off using affirmations, and it's not just affirmations in the book. It tells you exactly how to work through affirmations to make them really, really work for you to create that change in your inner narrative. It's so much more than just saying the affirmations. There's a lot more work that goes into it for the affirmations to really, really help you completely change your life. So go to Amazon, get my book, and come back here and let me know what you think and leave me a review on Amazon. So I'm going to leave the link to my book, to the Amazon link to my book in the description below. And tell me in the comments if you just wanted you to see the back of this. Tell me in the comments if you also, and you get a little great 100 affirmations in the back. So much, so much help goes into this book. I've already had hundreds of people tell me that this book has helped them so much. But let me know in the comments if you have been using affirmations or if you enjoy reading personal development or self-help, because it is so important to become empowered in our own lives and to become our own BFF, because anybody else can say anything about us that they want to. And as long as we are strong in our foundation of how we speak to ourselves, nobody can rock that. So, yes, look into the description below. Get your copy of my book, The No Bullshit Guide to Using Affirmations. And thanks for watching.